Today, we're going to be looking at maintenance windows, which are a useful way to pause monitoring on your sites for a period of time. For example, if your site is undergoing some scheduled maintenance. Navigate to Global Settings in the left blue menu and select Maintenance Windows. Add a new maintenance window using the green button in the top right. First, give it a label. Then you can select the time period it will be in place for. It can be scheduled as a one-off or as a recurring event. You can apply maintenance windows to everything on your account or select specific websites. Click Add and it's up and running. Edit or delete a maintenance window using the cog icon.